The Tertiary Education Trust Fund (TETFund) has announced its 2025 intervention disbursements, with each Nigerian university set to receive over 2.8 billion naira. TETFund Executive Secretary Sonny Echono disclosed this at a strategic workshop with heads of beneficiary institutions on the 2025 disbursement guidelines in Abuja. Echono said each Polytechnic will receive over 1.9 million naira, while colleges of education will be allocated over 2.1 million naira respectively. He, however, urged all heads of beneficiary institutions to ensure the full utilization of their 2024 and previous allocations while fast-tracking the procurement process to access their 2025 allocations.
I urge all heads of beneficiary institutions to ensure the full utilization of their 2024 and previous allocations while fast-tracking the procurement process to access their 2025 allocations.
The TETFund boss further cautioned on the need for heads of institutions to adhere strictly with the federal government's directives that all physical infrastructure development allocations for 2025 be directed towards the upgrading, rehabilitation, and renovation of dilapidated infrastructure in the respective institutions.
While we are not encouraging and we will not support those who fail to access their funds, we cannot afford to punish you by saying until you access 2024 you cannot start 2025. The inflationary trend we have in our economy today does not permit that type of luxury.
As expected, the meeting had in attendance representatives from critical education sectors and unions.
The implementation at the level of monitoring and evaluation has to be set up so that people that are actually looking for the cost of that fund would not be able to do so.
Let's take for source for fund and do a complete assessment of all the projects in each university. When you do that, all documented, all those who have backlog and what have you and who did it should be held responsible. Even if you have finished doing this for 20 years and you are responsible, it should be brought back. It's a national fund. If we do that, we will not know where we are. There are some universities who have 2016 projects uncompleted.
My only advice to my rectors is please follow the Procurement Act. Do not follow directives given to you by anybody else.
Emphasis on adequate utilization of the funds by the beneficiary institutions was also played up at the meeting. CNN News.